Good day, I'm NICOLE and GREGORIO from STEM to St. Patricia, and I'm going to show you my own version of cell city analogy. As you can see here, this is my Smurfs village. This village contains blue creatures that are called Smurfs. As you can see here in the village, you can see Papa Smurf's house, Farmer Smurf's house, Smurfette's house, Miner Smurf's mine, Postman Smurf's house, two policeman Smurf's house, and one well. Let's start with the cell wall of the village. This is the cell wall of the village. This wall protects the village from unknown creatures. And moving on here, this is the cell membrane of the village. This is the only passageway for the Smurfs to go in and out. This too is the lysosome of the village. This too prohibits unknown creatures that are entering the city. And as you can see here, this is the cytoplasm of the village. This is the gel-like water that keeps the village to itself. And here you have here the vacuole, two vacuole. This is the policeman Smurf. They takes down all the toxic and harmful visitor of the village. And here you have here the nucleus. This is the Papa Smurf's house. This regulates and controls the village. Here you have here Papa Smurf. This is the chromosome of the village. He facilitates and protects the whole village. And here the endoplasmic reticulum, the postman Smurf. He transports all the essential materials to the village. As long as here the pathways of the village. This is also the endoplasmic reticulum of the village. And as you can see here, this is the Golgi apparatus, or the postman Smurf's house. This package and collects all the essential things that the village needs. This is the water well of the village. It is the vesicle of the village that stores water for the village. Going up here, as you can see, this is the Miner Smurf's mine. And this is one ribosome of the village. It makes essential material that the village needs, such as gold and the coals. These gold and coals are the protein of the village. Same as the Farmer Smurf's house, this is also the ribosome of the village. It makes essential materials for the village, such as protein, and its protein is the crops of the village that is needed for the whole village to be alive. Going up, this is the Smurfette's house, the vacuole of the village, and she is trusted to store all the essential and important materials that are needed for the village. And here you have this Smurfette. As you can see, Smurfette is the mitochondria of the village, because of the fact that she is the only girl and the one who can give energy to other Smurfs that keep the whole village going and working. And once again, I'm NICOLE and GREGORIO from STEM to St. Patricia, and this is my cell city analogy, Smurf village version.